Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session, we are going to explore a very practical feature in PCB layout, component distributed by region. During the layout process, we usually organize components by functional modules, such as the power section, MCU section, interface section, and so on. If components are placed randomly, the board not only looks messy, but the routing later on becomes much more difficult. This is where the component area distribution feature becomes extremely useful. First, select the component you want to adjust. You can drag to select them or hold down the Ctrl key and click to select them one by one. After selecting the components, go to the top menu, click Layout, then choose Distribute. In the sub-menu, you will see several options such as Distribute horizontally, Distribute vertically, and other distribution methods. The last option is Component Distributed by Region. Now let's select Component Distributed by Region. After choosing this option, drag your mouse to define a target area on the PCB. This area represents the region where you want the selected components to be arranged. Once the area is defined, the system will automatically distribute the selected components evenly within that region according to preset rules. As you can see, the components that were previously scattered are now neatly organized inside the designated area. The overall structure becomes clearer, and the boundaries between modules are more defined. Mastering this small but powerful feature can significantly improve your layout efficiency and make your PCB design look cleaner and more professional. That's all for this session. If you'd like to learn more PCB layout tips and tricks, don't forget to follow the channel. See you next time.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.